everybody, welcome back to the channel. You guys already know what it is. It's your boy Ant, and I'm back with another one. In today's video, as you guys can see back there, I got my baby girl with me, and this is gonna be my first time doing an oil change on my Zeroturnmower. First off, I've never had a Zeroturnmower. This is my first season with one, so this is all new to me. But we're gonna get right into it. Step one is to let it run. Of course, let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes, I guess, to let the oil get hot and everything, so it drains a little bit faster, and to let any dirty debris in the inside be rumbled up, and so you can get it out of there basically. So step one, basically just let the engine run 10 to 15 minutes. Right, so this is, first off, she's smoking just because I had some seafoam in it when I first got it, and that's why it's time for an oil change, because it's been maybe a little after 10 hours of operation. It's definitely time for an oil change. I've never done this before. Watched a couple videos on YouTube on how to do this, but pretty much I'm gonna tackle it head on by myself. Gonna try to locate everything that I can. I mean, it's not that big of an engine. And I mean, it is just an oil change, so let's get into it. Step one was to let it warm up and everything. Now step two is, I got it all in here, the engine is warm, the oil is oil and everything. I'm gonna find out which side the oil pan is on. Alright, so we got the roll cage protection thing, whatever you want to call it, out of the way. Now we have access to the exhaust. I have access to all of these things that I'm honestly probably going to degrease. And we're going to do the oil change. Now the oil is, it needs some oil, and it's also black. I'm glad that I'm changing it. I was right. It was the oil. Let's go. And it's dark. Look at that dirty oil. Look at that dirty oil. Drain your oil. Beautiful. I figured it out, y'all. I figured it out. That's the amazing part about doing things for the first time. It might feel complicated at the end, like you might feel like that you're not gonna be able to do it, but just keep trying at it. Don't worry about how long you've been doing it, because it's your first time. Just keep doing it, keep trying at it, and trust me, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. That's pretty much it, guys. That pretty much wraps it up for this video, because my GoPro is running out of storage. Thank you guys for tuning in to the quick video on how to change your oil on your Zeroturnmower. You let the oil, step one, you let the oil run for 10 to 15 minutes to get it all hot and everything, and let the sediments in the inside bubble up. Step two, you pull it in the garage. You can jack up one side to let the oil spill out quicker, but step two is majorly just locating where your oil is. Unscrew that, take that out. Go to the bottom of your mower, take your oil screw out, drain your oil. Step two is drain your oil. Step three, take your old oil filter out. Clean all the oil that's gonna come out, because a lot of oil is gonna come out. Put the new oil filter in. Make sure before you put the new oil filter in that you take some of the new oil, put that around the rim of that oil filter, put that on. Step 4, refill the oil. You have to re-put that oil that oil plug one at the bottom that you took out. Make sure it's tight so the oil is leaking out. You need some SAE 5W30 oil. That's what I'm using on my mower. My mower specifically needs 2 quarts. Make sure that that screw is tight. Fill this boy up, fill your baby up with 2 quarts of oil. Mine only needs, so I filled it up with 2 quarts of oil. Check it, make sure it's on full. I'm gonna run it, see how it sounds. That's how you do that. Special, I didn't spray paint the rims black. Didn't spray paint the rims black. Let me know how y'all feel about that one. Extra point little video for you guys. As always, thank you all for tuning in to the video. Love you all.